2020 Corolla, doing the front blinker. This could be for the left or the right side. This one's out right here. It's the passenger side. Your blinker may be blinking like this quickly, and then if it's regular and fine, it'll blink that pace, but if it's out or something's wrong, it'll blink fast. So basically what you want to do is come over here. Like I said, it's right here. You can kind of see it through the lens. I'm going to come over here. These are actually pretty easy to do. It's just this gray connector right here. You're going to twist it towards the middle of the car, like inside the car. So I guess twist it towards the other side, and you can unlock it. Once you unlock it and pull it out, you could just kind of pull the bulb out. Just be careful not to smash it, you know, going too hard. Just pull this out. Here's the bulb, and then I'll go ahead and get a new one. Here's my bulb right here. This is a Toyota number. I'll link this in the description. It's like a dual filament, maybe for the hazards and the blinker, I don't know, but if you're gonna do the driver's side, it's just right here. It's actually easier to get to. And then same thing, you'll just twist it, but you'll twist this one to the outside of the vehicle, pull it out, put the new one in, and then twist it towards the inside of the vehicle, towards it, like the center of the car, to lock it. But yeah, so you just get your new bulb, and then you'll push it in the place like that, and then you just gently put this in here, and then you'll kind of move it back and forth until the tabs fall into place, and then you'll turn it to lock it in place. You could disconnect the gray connector and then pull the whole thing out if you want to do that too. But that's it, guys. So I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next video. Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot. You can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a Guillermo Auto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in Guillermo Auto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.